well, and more well. Oh my goodness, yeah, better him than me. It's my buddy doing his job, guys. No, I ain't cut out for all this. But if it's on the ticket, remember, we don't specialize. So if it's on the ticket, I would have to do it. Well, anyway, y'all see what kind of car this is, Pacifica. Now, here's the deal. Some water intrusion. I think the customer, or they think the customer left the window down and water got all on, I don't know what side this is. He showed me the connection and it was like gremlins everywhere. I wish I can find it. Oh, this must be the new one here already. Where's the old one at? I'm gonna show y'all that connector. This must be the new one. We had gremlins, water got, they left the window partially down and rain and water got on the whole side of the dash and got in this wiring harness. Damn, I can't. All right, well, anyway. Yes, he had to pull the whole damn instrument panel out. They paying for this, okay? Yeah, insurance company. I don't know how. Don't ask me. I know she's glad that it was covered. Extended warranty insurance company. Now again, guys, I don't know if y'all know this, but some places they won't let you splice into the harness and repair. This is one of those in fact, we can't even get it. So in order for us to do it right, the right way, we literally have to take the whole instrument panel out, gain access to the whole wiring harness, and replace the whole wiring harness. Now, outside of this place, which is where I work at also, it would have been simple as clip and repair the connection. But yeah, wherever you employ, please follow the rules. They there for a reason, all right? They have to protect themselves. So I know y'all like to get in the comment section and spout off what y'all would have did. No, y'all wouldn't have did none of that what y'all thinking here. Okay, it's all about the specific place you were at. You wouldn't have done that here, or you wouldn't be here much longer. Now, can it be repaired? Absolutely. But again, some places have rules they have to go by, and they simply going by the rules. Yeah, because if Brothers Motors, well, I'm cutting that and I'm fixing that, all right? Especially to avoid this. Yeah, oh my goodness. Yeah, guys, he's a beast. And you know what's crazy? He like doing this stuff. I do it. Sometimes he like it, depending on the mood he in. He got all his Milwaukee tools scattered out. I've never seen, so here's where they hide the BCM. See, I've never seen the inside of this because I've never taken one out. You'd be surprised what get exposed when you get the whole instrument panel out. Okay, electronic. I really got one of these. Yeah, I mean, this is a good time to go in with a, heater core, evaporator. I don't know. But yeah, now I know what a BCM is hidden on a Pacifica, any year model. Look. Really, they got a drain tube. This look like some sort of drain, I guess coming from the heater core or the evaporator. Might be the evaporator. The drain tube, I'm guessing, go out here and spout off to the outside. But this is interesting. Yeah, I ain't cut out for this. Y'all can have this, bro. I don't know where yet. Maybe you went take a break, a much needed break after. Whew. All right, I gotta go, guys. Thanks for watching.